Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in British Virgin Island. Alright, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show me how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description and open description in video, and click on eSim link and open this web page voyafly.com and click on this and write British Virgin. Click on this, open this page, high speed 4G 5G data. No download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. That's very good. Alright, choose data type, unlimited or fixed data, and click on unlimited. This is good. Choose a speed plan, light or plus. I'm select and recommend plus, and select days: 1, 3, 5, 7 days, 10 days, 2 week, 20, 25 or 30 days. I'm select 30 days and scroll down and write amount eSIM 20 or 1 eSIM, alright, and click on buy it now. Click on buy it now and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $30. That's very good, right? And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write contact email, payment data, billing address, and click on pay now. And open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address QR code, and open this QR code and scan QR code, right? Scan QR code and install eSIM this your phone, and eSIM is work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.